What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Episode 2 of Tony Finds. Today, we're gonna scope out the Lamont Goodwill. See what little gems we can find in here. It's a nice little spot tucked away.
This is my best site.
Yeah. All right. I love when people interact with the camera a little bit. It's kind of fun. All right, let's take a look what we got in here. So we're gonna go ahead and just skip right on past the clothes. It's a hard pass for me. All right, so now we browse. So typically garage sales are gonna be kind of your best bet, but as we pan around here, all the Goodwills are pretty similar. Older monitors, lots of lamps. That one's kind of cool. Don't really like it. Something like that really can't be refinished. Tons of pillows. See, some of this is nice. Tons of picture frames. Sometimes this stuff can go, but again, you end up sitting on it for a long time. Usually in these cases is where they have some cool stuff like that. America Stein is really cool. But looks like the Statue of Liberty's hand is bent. That's a bummer, because that's definitely something we could have grabbed. Big bummer there, huh? That's a really, really cool Stein. I almost feel like it could be bent backwards, though. It's hard to say. Cool little microscope. Yeah, you know, it's not like a garage sale either where you can kind of negotiate. Bike carrier, that's nice. Here's a vinyl record player. Does it work is the question. Looks very old. Looks like it might be functional. Oh, it's actually not very old. There's a CD player on it. It's something considering, but I'm sure the quality isn't great. You never know really if you're buying damaged items. What else do we got here? A couple of purses. I'm really interested in the America the Beautiful Stein. That's something that very cool. Hard to say, though. Hard to say. Hard to say, y'all. Some of this arts and crafts stuff is kind of cool. But again, not a lot of resale value. thermoses here. Lots of glass. There's a Keurig machine for $7. Butterball, huh? So something like this. Even though it's beat up, it may have some value to somebody somewhere. Goodwills are hard because I think a lot of the people that donate to Goodwill kind of get rid of stuff for a reason here. Like this is Foco. There's a Lego brand that might be worth some goods. All the Christmas stuff comes out. Not seeing a lot here, folks. Other than that America Stein, not a lot going on in here today. That's quite alright, because next time you might find that one item. Remember, always be sure to do your local update review. That way we can make sure we have Goodwills to donate to. All right, y'all, signing off. Thanks again for viewing.